Hi, welcome back. In the previous video we showed you how to make a web page with text, and in this one we'll go to the next step, and that's add pictures. So to add pictures to a web page we need to have a picture. So I'm just going to go out here to Google Images and grab a picture, and let's see if we can't find a picture of a duck or something like that. So we'll grab this duck, and I'm going to right click on it, say save picture, and good, it's in JPEG. So I just need to make sure that this picture's in the right place. I want it in the same place that my web page is going to be. So I'm going to rename this. I don't want this whole big long name on it. I'm just going to call it duck.jpg. So I have to remember it's called duck.jpg. Need to have a picture, remember what it's called. Now I'm going to go back here to my web page, this one we made last time, this hello.html. And now that I have my picture and it's in the same folder, let's just double check this. Duck.jpg is in the same folder as hello.html. To put this in my web page, what I'm going to do is type less than img, short for image, and then src equals, and then within quotes I'm going to put the name of the file. So I'm going to say, again, let's just look at this, img src equals the name of my duck picture. So that's all there is to it. Get the duck picture, or I'm sorry, get the picture, it doesn't have to be a duck, and then put it in the same folder as your HTML file or HTML file, and then put this code in. And this code, when the browser sees this, it says, hey, I'm supposed to display this picture. So now we'll save this as, I'm just going to call this hello2, and again it's in the same folder as my duck picture. When we double click this, here's my web page, there's my text that says hello world, and there's my picture of my duck. Okay, so let's do one other thing while we're here. Let's do two other things. First, let's show you what happens if we move the duck picture from here. Let's say I just put it in my pictures folder instead of here. And now if I try to look at my web page, I get this. So if you get this broken, this is called the broken picture icon. If I get this, it says, hey, you messed up somehow. You told me you wanted a picture, but I can't find it. So again, the solution to that is make sure that your picture is in the same folder as your HTML document. And then let's look at one other thing. I don't know if you noticed this. You probably did. But I have my text here and my duck picture here. And we'll get into this more later. But if I want these things to be on different lines, what I'm going to do is come out here and do a less than, a BR, a space, a slash, and a greater than. And this stands for a line break. So when the browser sees this, it says, oh, put in a line break. So let's just save this one, reload this, and now we see here's my text and here's my duck picture. Okay, so there's two of our three things again. We've got text on a web page, we've got a picture on a web page. In the next video we'll come back and look at how to put a link on a web page.